Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We are going to be looking at Instagram today, and we're going to be looking at how you can change a personal account into a business account on Instagram. And we're also going to be diving through exactly what extra features you get and why you should do it if you are an actual business or you want to actually do Instagram marketing and earn money online as well. So stay tuned. We're going to run through all of that very, very quickly for you, and we're going to do it right now. Okay, so first things first, I'm presuming that everyone has obviously got an account on Instagram that's watching this video, but if you haven't and you want to start an account, just go across to instagram.com. It's totally free to join up, and literally you can either just put in a phone number, an email address, password to log in, or you can obviously log in via Facebook, or you can obviously get the apps as well here on the by downloading them at the Apple Store or the Google Android, and just literally, if you don't have an account, just sign up here. As you go through the account, it will actually ask you, do you want a business account? So you can obviously tick that as you go. But if you haven't, if you've got a personal account and you want to actually try and change it to a business account and why you actually should change it, we're going to go through all that right now. Okay, so we are on my Instagram page here, and the simplest way, obviously I'm looking at this on my laptop, and this is probably quite a good way, but I'm going to go through it on a mobile as well, so both places where you can go and find where you can go and switch your account. So easy way to do it, if you're on your desktop, come across, go to edit profile here, and then literally just scroll down, and as you can see here, it says switch to personal account, and this would obviously just say switch to business account here instead if you're doing it the other way around. So you literally just click that button and you're good to go. That will open up a whole new set of features that you can obviously use then, and we're going to go through those shortly. But let's just jump over to the mobile and show you exactly how you can do it if you're just on your mobile. Okay, so we're now looking on the mobile app here, and a similar sort of thing you need to do here. But from the mobile app, the easiest way to get to your account is come up to the hamburger menu up here, click on settings, and then go down to account. And then if you scroll right down, it says here switch account type. Okay, so you just need to click that, and then you can switch account type. So it says switch to creator or to a personal account. Obviously, I'm on a creator account, a vlogger or a video artist or anything like that. Whereas if you're a business account, you might want to put in slightly different things because you might be an actual bricks and mortar business that's online or something like that. But you can just switch to wherever you want. So we switch to creator, and obviously it says switch account, and you can press switch. Simple as that. Obviously, that's all my done. Switch to creator account. And that's as easy as it is, guys. You just literally come back to your account and you can just skip that. Okay, so that's how easy it is. So let's just go through what are going to be the actual features and the benefits of actually doing just that and changing from a personal to a business account. Now, this is taken from an article that as a knowledge-based article on recurpost.com, so I'm giving them a shout out for this, and let's just literally go through it. As it says here, once you hit the 10,000 follower mark, you can obviously add swipe up feature to your stories. This allows to send people anywhere you want from Instagram. And in case you want this feature to become available before reaching 10,000 followers, you could run an ad which includes obviously a swipe up link in the ad. Okay, and that's another good way of obviously having a business account because you can actually do ads. But the main way as well is you can actually view insights. So you can go into your account and you actually get insights about your followers, accounts that you've reached, content interactions, etc. Like it said, I said just a second ago, you can obviously run advertisements as well. You can also promote your posts as well, and you can actually tag your business, your products as well. So that's a good idea, and you can also set up what they call Instagram shopping. Okay, so if you've got physical products that you sell, a way of selling those. Now you can also give a contact options as well, so you can put various different things in here, and I want to go back to my account shortly and show you exactly what you can get for those. You can also do what they call quick save replies. So in other words, if someone says something particular, you can just set up a few replies that you can actually respond instantly just with a click of a button, rather than having to do a lot of typing very quickly. Obviously, you can add links to your Instagram stories. And like I said earlier, they can obviously use the swipe up feature. And if before hitting the 10k of followers, you can do this by running ads as well. Once you've got your professional account, you can obviously put other things in it. So you can put what category your actually business falls in, and you can choose whether you want to display this on your account or not. You can actually put your phone number, you can put your business email, how would you like to be reached, so it could say text or call. So, and you could also put your business address if you wanted to, and then you can just click here if you wanted to display the contact info or not, because you don't have to display it if you don't want to. And then obviously you can literally just click on submit. Now basically, as a creator, it's slightly different. You can do obviously all of that, but you can't actually put your physical address in here, so you can't have that actually on your account, but other than that, it's very, very similar, the information you can actually put. And again, you can go and switch from a business account to a personal account within this professional account setting. So hopefully this will help you to obviously set up your Instagram for your business, which means you're obviously going to get more people following you, more people coming to your online store or your offline store, and hopefully more sales, which is what it's all about. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make new videos. That's it for today. We're going to be seeing you on the next video.